Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this super extremely easy grilled chicken recipe. This recipe is awesome for late night dinner. It's quick, it's effortless, and it tastes absolutely amazing. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. To make our chicken, we'll be using this amazing grill right here. This video is sponsored by Capt'n Cook, and this is an oven plus salamander grill. It's a smokeless propane grill that doubles as a pizza oven. Not only you can grill up all your favorites, but you can bake a delicious pizza at the same time. Get yours today at ovenplus.com. Right now it's on sale. It's a great deal, so don't miss out, guys. Now let's get right into cooking our grilled chicken. I'm using 2 thick size chicken breasts. We're going to add some oil on there just like so. Rub it all in. Then we're going to season our chicken breast. I'm using ground black pepper, which is very optional. You can just use the lemon pepper by itself. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, including both sides. Next, we're going to add in the lemon pepper seasoning. And because the chicken breasts that I was using were a little too thick, what I decided to do is cut them into a butterfly, basically to thin out the chicken breast a little bit, just like that. Or you can use a rolling pin just to mash up the chicken breast so it can be nice and flat and tender. Now I flipped it aside. I am going to season the same exact way that I season the front side of the chicken breast. I added the ground black pepper, the Creole seasoning, and the lemon pepper. Give it a nice rub to make sure all the seasoning is nice and melted onto the chicken. Now we're going to start cooking it. I've used this oven twice, guys, and I love how hot it gets on both sides. It has a butterfly burner, which means your chicken will be grilling on both sides. No smoke, no flare-ups. So we're good to go. No hassle, okay? Here's the chicken once it is done. Oh my God, it looks so good. You can see how nice and golden brown it gets on top of it. We're going to flip it over to cook the other side to give it a nice color as well. We're going to push it back in there for a few more minutes. Now this didn't take no longer than 10 minutes, literally. And don't forget, guys, you can also make some pizza while your chicken is grilling, or some vegetables as well, and get your dinner ready at the same time. Why not? Here's the chicken. It looks absolutely delicious, nice and golden brown. What I went ahead and did is add some melted butter with lemon pepper on top. Just spread it all over the chicken to make it nice and buttery and lemon peppery. This grill, I will say it's perfect for anything. You can make lobsters, steak, pizza, ribs, anything, shrimp kebab, you name it. If you guys are interested, of course, click the link down below in the description box to purchase it. And here is the recipe. And of course, this recipe can be made on a regular oven as well. But to get that nice golden brown, it definitely needs a grill. And this is it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. If you haven't, also subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Check the description box for the grill, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.